I'm kind of curious, how many of you have heard of the switch function in Microsoft Excel before, and how many have used it, and what are the results when you're using it? Let me know down below in the comments. So what we're going to do, first of all, is I'm going to show you the if statement that I've already created in this one, and I'm going to create the same type of functionality with the switch statement down below. So if you take a look at the formula bar up here, you can see I have the if statements. It's nested ifs in it. It goes through and finds if this number matches to whatever, it's going to give back the word, like average here. So 3 equals average. In this case, I copied it down. Good is 4, and so on. So it works while it copies down. But now we're going to create the switch, show you the switch function in here. And I just want to show you why it's a little bit more streamlined and a little bit more efficient to use, especially if you're adding to it. So let's go ahead and start this. Let's go ahead and start the switch function right here in D12. I'm just going to place my equal sign and start typing switch. And I have it right here. So we can take a look at what it does. Evaluates an expression against a list of values and returns the result corresponding to the first matching value. If there's no match, an optional default value is returned. And I'll place that at the end. So let's go ahead and select that switch. And I'm going to start with selecting the cell that I'm going to be looking at. And it's going to be this one right here. So that's my reference. Place my comma in, and all I have to do now is give it the first, what it's going to be looking for. So the number 1, comma, and if it is number 1, what do I want it to be? Well, it's just going to say poor. And then I can just place another comma, put my 2, comma, and then place what's the 2 going to be equal to. So this is going to be below average, like so, and we can continue on. So let me go ahead and fill this out. And so notice when I got to the end, not rated, there's no number that's compared to there. So it's just going to be, if it's not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's what's going to have the option. Now, notice when I do this, it just has the 1 bracket at the end, 1 bracket at the very beginning, not like the nested if that had to close every one of those opening brackets. So if I was going to make this longer, I can just quickly add another comma in here and continue on with my list. Let's go ahead and hit enter and copy this down, and you're going to see it gives me the same results. But the advantage of this is going into this and formatting it. If I needed to add more, when I compare it to this, you can see this is a little bit longer, and there's just a few more things you have to adjust to make changes to. Let me give you another example now. Before I move over to the example 2, I just want to show you that the switch function did work. If it wasn't listed, it took the alternative, not rated there.